What is the difference between OLTP and OLAP? Let's understand this with an example. Imagine a busy supermarket checkout counter. Every time a customer buys something, the cashier scans items, updates inventory, and records the payment instantly. This needs to be very fast and accurate. This is similar to OLTP systems. OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing, and these systems are designed to handle a large number of small, fast transactions. Examples include order systems, payment systems, and user activity tracking systems. Now imagine the store manager at the end of the day looking at reports like total sales, best selling products, and monthly trends. That's OLAP or OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing, and it is designed for analysis, not transactions. Instead of handling millions of small updates, OLAP systems scan large volumes of historical data to answer business questions. In data engineering, OLTP systems are the data producers and OLAP systems are the data consumers. Data flows from OLTP systems into data lakes and data warehouses, and OLAP systems sit on top of cleaned and modeled data. Understanding this difference explains why we never run heavy analytics directly on production databases and why analytical systems are built very differently from transactional ones. That's the main difference between OLTP and OLAP.